All right, now for the last problem, problem statement number 9. We want to use our table below to answer the questions. First off, is the following function quadratic or linear? Now, in order to do that, we're going to have to find our first and second differences. So, 16 minus 4. Well, 16 minus 4 is 12. Another way of looking at that is 4 plus 12 is 16. Now, 4 minus 0 is 4. 0 minus 4 is negative 4. And 4 minus 16 is negative 12. Now, had all of these been the exact same number, that would tell me that my slope is equal to that number and that this is a linear equation. However, since they're not the same, it cannot be linear. Whenever it's not linear, I have to go on to my next differences, my second differences, and do it again. 12 minus 4 is 8. 4 minus negative 4 is 8. And 4 minus negative 12 is also 8. My second differences are all equal. That tells me that this is a quadratic equation. Now, I want to write the equation of that function. So, once again, we're going to go back to our stat menu inside the calculator and perform a quadratic regression. Now, the way that you get rid of all of these guys, there's two ways. I'll show you both. One is just to press delete several times, and it will delete each entry. Another way is to go up and highlight the actual list itself, and then press clear enter. That will delete the entire list. One thing to make sure you don't do, and the reason I am showing you this is in case you accidentally do it, you can recover from it. If you go up and you press delete, L1 disappears and you can't get back to it. Notice we jump straight from L2 back to L6. No problem. If that happens, all you have to do is go to Stat and then Option 5, Setup Editor, and enter. Brings list 1 right back. So if you do that first method where you have a number, go up to L1, second method, highlight the list, clear, enter. Delete will actually delete the list. Now, enough of that. Let's put these in there. 2, 1, 0, negative 1, and negative 2. My Y list, 16, 4, 0, 4, and 16. You know, I can't believe I didn't notice this earlier. I saw this as I was typing them in. These are actually symmetric as well. We got 16, 16, 4, 4, 0. Our axis of symmetry is right there in the table. We can see that quadratic pattern as we go through there. So that's another indicator that it's a quadratic. Now, once we've got everything into our lists, we're once again going to hit Stat, arrow right to Calc, and then Option 5 for quadratic regression. Press Enter. And then now I know that I have y equals, let's see, a is 4x squared plus 0x plus 0. We don't have to write those. So just y equals 4x squared.